What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tiger365, and you already know what I'm here for sneakers. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I got a House of Hoops by Foot Locker bag in front of me. I'm about to review one of the crazy, weird looking shoe, and can't wait to open it so you guys can see it. So before we get started, I want you guys to do me a big favor. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and there's a little belt somewhere either here or here, and then click on it so whenever I upload a video, so you're gonna see the notification pop up to your YouTube. Let you know that I'm dropping some new, reviewing some new shoes. And no more talk, so let me put this big boys right here. As you can see, the original Nike black and red swoosh logo right here in front of me. You could see, you already know if you're a sneakerhead, like I always say, you already know what's in there. All of it around. So right here I got the Jordan 1. This one, I don't know, this one is crazy though. It's the homage to home Jordan 1, released today, and I get mine from Foot Locker. So let's get to the shoe. And the color is black, university, red, white. Let's go open the box. Tissue paper. And bam. This is the shoe, y'all. And the other crazy thing about this, and the box have nothing else in it. And bam. As you can see, this is the shoe I was talking about. Like from that side, you could see it looks like the Chicago home colorways, and the other side right here is the bread, the bandit colorway, which is I always take some else. Like I always try to get it, I always take some else for this. But here, I feel like they combine two shoes together, and that's the shoe I was talking about. It looks funny and weird the way it is. The tongue, like the difference I see from the original ones, you can see the shape of the tongue is different, and it's so thin. The tongue is really stiff, like, see that? It's really stiff, and I like how they do this. It looks like what's called that again? What the movie? Scarface movie right here, black and white on that side. You know what I'm saying? Like and like how they put the logo, the black and the red, white. It's really nice, but like the leather on these is crazy, y'all. It's really stiff, like stiff, really stiff. You could feel it. You know what I'm saying? And Nike, black Nike swoosh right here, it's really nice. And the back of the heel of it is, it's really, like I feel like this Jordan 1 is really the toughest Jordan ever, because it's everything about it. When the leather is not that crazy looking, but it's stiff. The toe, you know what I'm saying? How they do it, it's really nice, y'all. So don't get me wrong. And the second thing about this, the bottom red is really, really bright red. I never seen this red on the Jordan 1s like that. This one is really bright. You could see it. I wish I could have my other Jordan red colorways that I could do the comparison between those two to see which one is the brighter red. But this one, you can see the bottom sole is really brighter. And that's the shoe, y'all. I like it. But I didn't, but I like it. I really love it. Not love, but I like it. It looks crazy. From one side, if you stand that way, you will see that's the Chicago home colorways, and turn around from the other side. Well, they do a great job on it. Don't get me wrong. So I'm out, y'all. I'm gonna do like I always do. I do a separate video between the little hands review, unboxing review with the foot review. So you guys gonna catch me for the next video coming up for the review. I did try it on. I gotta let you know, guys, I did try it on, but like I said, if you know how the Jordan fits. You don't have to go upside or downside. It's always fit to the size, unless you have narrow leg, gorilla. You know what I'm saying? Feet. So two lace. One thing I was forget to mention. You got the black one, and you got the red one and the black. So I don't know how am I gonna write this. So somebody did it on extra. I wish I was be the first one that did it. Like I always did on my shoes. I always get the different color. One red, there's all the ones gonna be black. So can't wait to show you guys on the foot. I'm out.